Boracay is one of the most popular islands in the Philippines, so much so that it had to be closed for 6 months to rehabilitate the island after its huge influx of visitors. Today it is reopened to tourists, but has a limit on the number of visitors it welcomes each day.
From pristine beaches to vibrant coral reefs, our country is a home to some of the most incredible natural wonders.
The huge orange eyes and tiny fingers of the minuscule tarsier serve as the spokesmodel for the island of Bohol.
Welcome to the Philippines, the land of breathtaking beauty and rich biodiversity.
The World Bank's Country Climate and Development Report for the Philippines finds that the country has many options to address the climate crisis, including fully implementing and scaling up existing climate actions.
Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash.
But our natural treasure face threats from human activities.
After more than 400 years of quiet, Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, claiming about 300 lives and forcing thousands to flee. It forever changed the lives of the Ayitas of Zambales.
Naapektuhan din po ang aming trade book kasi yung aming dating pamumuhay nasira po.
We're taking action to protect our environment.
So here guys, as you can see, nagwawalis tayo for the cleanliness and the change of the environment. And for other part is picking up the waste para mabawasan ang kalat and to expand the cleanliness in environment.
Join us in preserving
Our natural heritage.
Together, let's protect